45 minutes early from our original scheduled end time into gate E is an Echo 17. Thanks, flying Delta Flight 10, Space Spirit Cap 4 arrival.
Dallas-Fort Worth, where the local time is 2:29. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and carry an item stowed until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid entry from items that may have shifted during flight. And please ensure you have all your personal belongings before deplaning. As we reach the gate, we invite you to use our Fly Delta app for important baggage and connection information. You may receive an email asking you to share your feedback. We value your feedback and use your responses to improve your future travel experiences. On behalf of this Dallas-Fort Worth-based crew, thank you for choosing Delta, and we look forward to seeing you soon.